What's up, everybody? This is Carl from Techful Goodies, and today we're taking a look at the LTC Nimbleback. So this is it right here. It's a mechanical keyboard, and I've heard great things about it. I've needed an extra keyboard up here on the desk, so I figured I'd pick one up, open it up with y'all, test it out, and see how it is. So inside the box, we have a few things. We have replacement switches. I opted for the red mechanical switches on this one, USB-C cable, and a key puller, which is nice. This particular USB-C cable isn't anything in particularly special about it. It's not braided. It's just a standard cable. It doesn't have, what's it called? The curly Q that goes from your keyboard up to your laptop. Doesn't have that. It comes with a key puller, which is nice because this is a hot swappable keyboard. That's one of the reasons that I picked this up, because if I don't like these red switches, I can pop them out and replace them with something else. So let's take a look at the keyboard itself. I opted for the white one, and because it's up here in my studio, it won't get as much use, so I don't expect it to get as dirty. So right off the bat, you will notice that this is a 65% mechanical keyboard. Okay, it does have full RGB backlighting, and it has 68 keys. Now, what you'll see that you're missing is the number pad on the side here. I was looking for something a little more compact up here right on this desk, so that fits the bill perfectly for me. The good thing is that all these keyboards do come with a function key here. So what that allows you to do is basically have some other functions on the keys when you push that button. And I think if you get a key mapper, you might be able to add some things if you really want to, if you're missing that number pad or if you're missing a couple of the other keys. But you do get the print screen, the home, the end, and the pause. And then when you hit function, it's page up, page down, insert, and delete. So you do get all those things. Because this is not Bluetooth, one of the nice things is that if you look on the back here, you'll notice that it does have some pass-through USB ports. So you plug in the power with the USB to your computer, USB-C, and you can plug in your mouse or other things into these pass-throughs right here, and that way you're not taking up extra ports on your computer. I thought that was pretty nice. So let's go ahead and hook it up to the computer. Alrighty, so now we're plugged in. Let's take a look at the aesthetics of this particular keyboard. It is really heavy and sturdy. It's not a super light, flimsy keyboard. There's no real flex in the board itself. It does have a pretty substantial bezel around the outside here. On the back, you do have standard flip-up feet that allow you to be able to give yourself a little bit of a different angle. On the front here, you have all your lights on the side here. It is branded with the Nimbleback logo on the front, which I think looks pretty nice. And it is 100% RGB across the top. What that does is it allows you to basically, if you felt like it, go ahead and pick up different keycaps. You could get pudding keycaps, and that way the light would sort of shine out from the side. So that would be pretty nice, a little bit different look if you like that. And if you want to change any of the RGB settings, all you have to do is hold the function button down and hit this little gear icon right here. So there's different modes of RGB settings on this. So I'll go ahead and hit this, get blue, dark blue, pink, white, rainbow, red, etc. So you can cycle through all the different things here. I think there definitely also is a way to sort of change what it does. Right now it's doing the circle. And what I think you can actually do is have it so that it relates directly to your keycap presses. Now these are the red keys, so we're not expecting really sort of a loud click. It should be a really smooth, non-tactile actuator that allows us to be able to type pretty quickly without having a lot of sound in the room. So I'll go ahead and give you a test of that right now. So yeah, so as far as the general sound of the keyboard, I think it sounds great. It actually feels really good, really solid, and allows me to feel like I have a lot of confidence when I'm typing. This really does hit the nail on the head. A couple of the other things to note on the box here. Number of keys, like I said, was 68. The interface is USB, N key rollover. It has full key rollover. Backlights are RGB. It is a USB 2.0 hub, so those USB items on the back are USB 2.0. It's about 60 grams in weight, and it does support Windows and Mac OS, which is nice. So yeah, that's about it. This is the LTC Nimbleback. Seems like an awesome keyboard. I will leave the link down below if you want to check it out. If this was a help to you, or if you like this video, grab me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. I'd love to see you back. I'm a tech guy checking out tech stuff at my tech desk. Always want to share it with you, make sure that we all get good deals on stuff, and find great little products like this to show off. So until next time, this is Carl from Techful Goodies, and I'm out.